Hi everybody, working on live with children here at Analytica. It's day one and I'm delighted to invite Holger from Sotax, who's going to tell me a bit more about Sotax and what they're talking to us about today. So, Holger, first of all, it's lovely to see you. How are you?
Thank you, I'm fine. It's a pleasure to meet you.
Now, today, as I said, is day one. This is the afternoon. So how has Analytica started for you?
It started extremely well and we're very, very happy that we can finally meet our customers again at one of the leading shows in the world.
Brilliant. Now, for those people not familiar with Sotax, can you give me an overview of the business?
Yeah, Sotax, we are one of the leaders in pharmaceutical testing. We are a solution provider. We bring together the expertise in three main fields. That's dissolution testing, that's sample preparation, and physical testing. All of that on the foundation of our services. And as our latest baby, so to speak, is data integrity, or bringing all the data from the different tests together in one place. All data in one place.
Right, now you said data integrity, so what is the main theme for the show? Is it data integrity?
It is indeed, and as you can see, what is the biggest thing in our booth? Well, it's the screen, and it's right in the center is the smaller, slightly smaller screen. But here is where all the methods, or everything that the instruments have to do, is stored in a compliant way.
Right.
And all results are recorded there in a central database and can be evaluated regardless from what instrument on this booth they have been, the results come from, or where the tests have been performed. Like in a real situation at our customers, where you have QC, IPC, or production, and your quality control lab.
Right, now you mentioned QC and IPC, so I noticed obviously you've got two different setups here.
Yeah, let's go to the QC side of things, quality control first.
Yeah, sure.
We have one of our flagship products we have here, and that's a fully automated dissolution tester.
Yeah.
Sorry, René, may I? Yeah, just quickly, sorry. So what you see here is a fully automated system that performs several dissolution tests back to back in a row, cleans itself in between, and all results are recorded. You can integrate analytics if you like, can perform different methods. So this in itself is like a small QC lab.
Right,
in a way.
Fantastic.
And
this is all fully automated?
This is fully automated, 100%. The alternative is a benchtop unit, which we have not hidden in the back, but is the whole concept is that our dissolution systems are modular. That's why we call them extend systems. So you can combine them into different automation levels. Yep. So in this example, you can collect samples in well plates, which is something you could also do with a fully automated system. You can integrate analytics, and the difference between this system and the other one is that here you can perform one test automated, and somebody has to prepare and clean the system for the next run, which is something you don't do for a fully automated system.
Right, okay.
Right. Let's go and take a look at the origin of Sotax,
sure.
Which is also dissolution, back in 1973. And this is the very heart of it. Can you? My colleague will give me one. This is the so-called flow-through cell. And as you can see, it's very different from traditional dissolution tests. The tablet or the capsule or the medical stand or other applications is inside here, which is much closer to what it would look like inside your body. There's liquid streaming, and then you can actually see the dissolution of how the API, so the active pharmaceutical ingredient, is released from that dosage form. And this is our passion. This is what Sotax has been built on. It doesn't look like much, but it is actually. You can see things that you can't see in conventional dissolution. And we are the global expert, or one of the leading companies, the innovator of this type of test.
Fantastic.
So enough about QC. There's a little bit about production as well. Let's go there.
And as you can see, viewers, we're live at Analytica with real customers on the booth. So
yes.
we're actually navigating the booth.
Yeah. So let's go to more simple instruments.
Sure.
Nevertheless, it's probably the greenest instrument of its class. This is a disintegration tester. How tablets disintegrate. It detects it automatically. There are no wires to this, and it's induction heating, which means no water bath. You only need about 50 watts for heating, and you only need those 50 watts while you're heating, whereas with a water bath you have continuous. So it's not in green, but it should be. It's a green instrument for your QC lab.
Fantastic.
And then last but not least, you will find those in both IPC and in QC.
Yeah.
Those are multi-parameter physical testers. You can test weight, thickness, length, width, so the dimensions of a tablet plus the breaking force or the hardness needed in different automation levels.
Right, okay.
This one you could also integrate with a tablet press for online testing, so that in real time the results are fed back to your tablet press, and the tablet press can adjust itself or the compression parameters accordingly.
Brilliant. So,
where's the data integrity?
yeah, so I was going to say, but data integrity, but you also mentioned services that you do as well.
Correct.
So what services are you actually offering to customers?
Well, obviously the regular technical services like repair, preventive maintenance, qualification, but we have a big field that was recently introduced to Sotax. We've been doing it for 20 years, but we now made it an own segment because we see more and more demand for helping our customers in their development, in their R&D activities, in method automation, in the formulation, API characterization, or even routine testing. And that's why Sotax operates 3 labs worldwide that are GMP certified, FDA audited, so we can compensate for lack of capacity at our customers for routine testing, but predominantly we help our customers in developing their methods and registering with regulatory authorities.
Brilliant. Well, look, Holger, I appreciate taking time out to take me this walk through the booth. It has been a bit of a trial because you've had customers which is great news, obviously, that you've got customers on the booth.
Like I said in the beginning, we're so happy that we have customers again,
yeah,
so
exactly.
we're not complaining at this
No,
point.
exactly. But thank you for taking me through the booth and showing some of the instruments, obviously looking at data integrity and the services that you do. Now, obviously, people are here this week at Analytica. Where can they find you at the show?
You can find us in Hall A1 on booth 316. You're more than welcome to visit us. Otherwise, you can find us at ACHEMA in August in Germany, or other trade shows like Interfex in the US. We're also present, or in Asia.
Fantastic. And if people want to sort of get information quickly online and can't see you in person, where else can they get more information?
Well, you can find information about our products on our website, sotax.com. There you find videos, technical information, and more. And please, that's the only good thing that came out of the pandemic. We are now capable of doing online demos for you at the comfort of your office, where we can show more complex instruments, real-time, live. And if you're interested, we also come and visit you.
Fantastic. Well, Holger, thank you once again for the tour. Thanks for that quick overview. And there you go, viewers. If you're here at Analytica, check out the Sotax booth. It's called A1, stand 316. You can obviously, as Holger mentioned, see them at ACHEMA in August and at other shows, and obviously visit their website. So thanks once again, Holger, and thank you viewers for watching. Until next time, stay well and stay safe. Bye bye.